Welcome to another episode on binary trading. And on this episode, I'm actually going to be sharing with you how you can master the perfect sniper entries when you try trading binary option. This is the first chapter, so always remember to hit that subscription button below. Drop a comment if you get value, as I share with you how I'm really able to make money when trading binary options and also more training. So before we actually go into these three main things that I look at, I'm going to be sharing with you a real account, real demo, real account on this, how I've used these actually techniques to be able to get some profits today. It's not a lot, but it will really justify that they really work. So if you can take a look at this is my account here, this is my chart. I want to share with you some of the trades that I've really been able to win. So you can see this is the first trade. Okay, you can see I, using the technique that I'm going to be sharing with you on this video, I was able to place my bet here, and guess what, we went all in. Okay, I predicted that the price will be going low, and definitely it went low. Okay, and we were able to get into profit on that. This is another win that we got for today. I predicted that the price was going to go up, and definitely it went up all the way. And this was another win. I predicted that the price will be able to still go up, and it was able to go up. And also this is another trade that is actually live and active. Okay, and I've predicted that the price is actually going to go low. So what are some of the things that you're supposed to look at when it comes to uh, getting these sniper entries? So the first thing that you want to do is focus on the trends and stick with me, because I'm going to be going back to the graph, and I'm going to be sharing with you practical example of how you can be able to analyze the trends when you're trading binary options. So you have two trends that you really want to focus on so that you can be able to get into the market and place your trade. The first trend is the uptrend, okay, and the second trend is the downtrend. So the uptrend, this means that we have a lot of buyers in the marketplace. Okay, in an uptrend, let's read this. In an uptrend, the market rises and makes a sequence of higher highs and higher lows. I'm going to be sharing with this on the graph, so if you don't understand, stick with me. But this is what we talk about: higher highs and higher lows. Is if the price is here, you can see this is a higher high, you can see this is a higher low, this is a higher high, this is a higher low, a higher high, and a higher low. So this means that we have a graph that is going upwards. Okay, and on a downtrend is the reverse. In a downtrend, the market falls and makes a sequence of lower lows and lower highs. You know, when people are trading binary option, they like complicating this. You find 1,001 lines on the graph, and it's you get into profit using these simple things. And remember, always do this: first train yourself on a demo account with the strategies that I'm sharing with you, and understand them first before going live and losing all your money. So let's go to the second slide, and I want to show you on a graph here what do we mean by an uptrend and what do we mean by an uptrend, a downtrend. So this is our graph on this is our graph looks like on an uptrend. So you find that this is a higher low, and you find that this is a higher high. You find that this is a higher low, and this is a higher high, this is a higher low, and this is a higher high. So you find that the trend is going upwards. Okay, it's going up, up, up. This means that on the lower low, on the lower high, it is not closing below the previous lower high. I don't know if you have understood that. The next lower low, which is this, does not close below this one. It closes above the previous lower high. So that means that you have a lot of buyers in the marketplace, and the price is going up and up and up. And what you're supposed to do on an uptrend is, so determine, let's look at the downtrend. The downtrend also is the reverse. Okay, we have lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. This means that the previous low, the next lower low, closes under the previous lower low. Hope you really understand that very well. So what you're supposed to do here is you're supposed to determine the price action from the trend. The price action for the uptrend is buying, buying, buying. That's why we are having an uptrend. We're having a lot of buyers in the marketplace pushing the price to get into the uptrend. A downtrend means that we have a lot of sellers in the marketplace. So, what trade? How should we get into the trades when on an uptrend or a downtrend? On an uptrend, you're supposed to focus more on buying when you have an uptrend, and on a downtrend, you want to focus on selling more. Okay, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how to do this on the graph. So let's actually jump to the charts and let me show you how I do this when I am analyzing my charts. Okay, so here's my charts. Here's my trading platform. Okay, so uh let me share with you the exact way you can actually do this. Okay, so want to take a look at, for example, let's take a look at some of the trades that I've taken today. You can see also this one is live and it's almost closing. So this is what I've done today. Okay, let me show you exactly here. So you want to take a look at the trend. Okay, so if you take a look at this graph here, you can see this was a shoot. So this means that this is an uptrend. Okay, definitely this shows you it's an uptrend. You can just zoom and see this is a lower high. Okay, comes here again, it becomes a lower high. This is a lower high, this is a lower high. Okay, get here a lower high. So the price is going up, 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 up. All these other ones are, you can just zoom it a little bit so that you can be able to see it very well. You can see this is a higher high, this is a higher high, this is a higher high. Okay, went down a little bit, but it came back again, created a lower high, a lower high, a higher high, a higher high, and it went back again. We got now, there was a trend reversal here, and then also the price started moving up again. Okay, so on the next chapter, I'm going to share with you how you can really be able to really understand, because you can see here it is on a 1 minute chart. Sometimes on a 1 minute chart, it's usually very volatile, so you're really not like able to really identify exactly the price trend, like how is it going exactly, is it an uptrend or is it a downtrend. So I'm going to be sharing with you on the next chapter on how you can really identify exactly how the price is moving on the charts. So after you've identified if the price is going low, right, or high, what is the next thing that you're supposed to do? The next thing that you're supposed to do is you're supposed to take a look at what are the major support and resistance level. Okay, so you can see there's some lines I've been able to draw here. So for example, like this was a support level that was previously broken. Okay, so it acted as a resistance level. So what you're expecting price, when price gets into this area, it's supposed to go down, but you want to confirm based on your price action. If the price is going down, you want to look for selling points. Okay, if the price is going up, you want to look at buying points. So make sure to stick around on this channel, because in the next chapter I'm going to be sharing with you different time frames on how you can be able to confirm the exact price trend using different time frames. I usually use the 4 hours time frame. Okay, after the 4 hours time frame, I get into the 1 hour time frame. After getting into the 1 hour time frame, I usually get into the 15 minutes time frame, and then I have my last confirmation on my 1 minute time frame, and that's how I'm really able to identify exactly how the price is moving. Okay, so on the next video I'm going to be sharing with you that. So on this video, I wanted just you to understand those two angles. Take a look at the price on how it's going. Is if it's going downwards, you want to sell more. If it's going upwards, you want to sell more. You can see on this trade I've actually lost. Okay, and the reason why I lost is on IQ option, I didn't actually had an option of doing a 5 minute frame of expiration. So this means that in the next 5 minutes, the price will have been down. So you can see here, on the next 5 minutes, this is how I will have predicted. In the next 5 minutes, the price will have been down, and you can see peep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll still be in profit, but IQ option didn't have that option, so I'll be sharing with you more about that. What you've learned today here is about price action, and it's a continuation on tomorrow's video, whereby I'll be sharing with you how to use different time frames to confirm the price action. This is how I'm able to win these trades using price action. Okay, so also take a look at the link in the description below and learn how I and get into my private group, to get into my private coaching group, whereby I share with you the exact systems I use, the bots I use to trade. Sometimes when I'm busy, like right now, I'm just out of work, just spend like a little bit of like 1 hour to just analyze the market and get into trades, and how I usually get into profit and how I usually make money from trading. Check some of the links below, click register, join my private group. If you always have questions, you can always reach me out on my Instagram at dm_mwabu. dm_mwabu. Send me any questions that you have about binary trading. I focus only on trading binary, and this is where I make my money from. Have a good time. Let's meet on the next chapter as I show you the different time frames to be able to get the sniper entries when you're trading binary option. Cheers. Thank you very much. Let's meet on the next video. Always remember to hit that subscription button value, and always remember to drop any question that you have in the comments, and I'll be able to shoot a video answering those questions. Cheers. Have a good time. By the way, this is a real account that I was trading. Okay, you can see very little money, but being able to test my strategies before I get into the big amount of monies. Cheers. Have a good time.